We're at the farm. Gifford Farm.
Budgie. Look at Bobo Brown horse.
So we just got to Gifford Farm. First time being here. Got the horsies.
On a field trip when I was a little kid. Cool.
Little donkeys. Jackass.
You can see it. Here we go.
Spiny tail lizard.
So we have to stay very still though. Once we get close, just like that. Good. See what he's doing is his tail's very, very spiny. So he likes to stick it up so that if anybody comes to touch him, he'll whack that tail around. And he gets.
Yeah. Say how you doing.
You want to walk? Are you done upstairs? Yeah, you are. You want to walk over and see the band?
Like it?
Walk over and see the band.
Where do you go and name it?
The bird house.
Tossing
What's his name?
snake, lizard. Later said he get that from you. Touch a snake. Right. Can I touch a rabbit, a horse, maybe even a pig?
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
That was fun.
This is Snickers.
It's gonna pet the bunny.
This is Snickers. There we go. We'll bring him down.
Okay.
You can pet him.
Okay.
Is he soft? Like this. Here we go. Is he soft? You're right.
This area is about getting back to nature and getting out in nature and playing.
Yeah.
So just about everything we have here is either recycled or reused, and a lot of it comes from our forest. So, have fun.
And made a nice environment, nature.
And this
And the kids get to work hands-on with the animals. They get to feed them. This is Freckles. Freckles is a leopard gecko. So we have to give them calcium and their spines are like little pimples when they're born. They have little pimples all over. And they Whoa. Yeah. They're supposed to eat insects, but neither one of them will eat insects. Small mouse, and they'll just gulp it down. They have very little teeth on their upper jaw, so they don't chew their food, they just swallow it whole.
Well, you can tell everybody. Yeah, you can tell everybody. Go ahead and tell everybody. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. Yes, I am, yes, I am, yes, I am. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. I believe every lie that I ever told. Paid for every heart that I ever stole.